Oh, hey dudes. How you doing tonight? Yeah, I'm just sitting here bored. I'm gonna make a video because we're gonna start this diet together. Or not. I don't know. I just wanted to say that if you've seen the other videos and you want to start and you're ready to go, then you could start. You don't need this video tonight. If you want to multiply your weight by 10, write down everything you're eating, eat off the labels like I told you, single serving for everything. Only calories matter. We don't care about the carbohydrates. We don't care about the protein. Only calories matter. You can do that. So for instance, before I get started with this, I weigh 340 pounds, or 345 according to the scale this morning. 345, multiply that by 10, the highest you can go is 3,000, and then just eat off the labels and I am good to go. Because I like something that's a little more quick than me having to Google all my foods, which you don't have to Google all your foods, but I just like scanning the barcodes and it calculating for me. That's the way I like to do it. You don't have to use MyFitnessPal. You can use any app that you want. I just figured this is the easiest. It gives you tips, tricks. You could read the blogs if you want to, or you could read the information. But I'm not sponsored in any way by MyFitnessPal, but I just like using it. But I'm gonna start brand new with you tonight. So let's make sure this is on, and here we go. First, I'm gonna click on the login or start. Is it? No, I wanna sign up because I'm gonna sign up as Van Normus. Here we go, sign up with my email because I don't have a Van Normus whatever. I am here to lose weight, not gain weight. I am, say, right now, I don't feel like I'm very active. I was a teacher for a while that was light active, and there was times where I spent hours in the gym. So I'm gonna put not very active and I'm gonna click on next. Next, I am a male. My birth date is close to what they have here. Your birthday, just put it close. If you don't want to put your birthday in here, don't put it in here. So there's my birthday. Oh, it's invalid because I don't know how to put slashes, I guess. Why wouldn't they have it do slashes for you? Whatever. Location, United States. Zip code. Okay, awesome. Oh, you have to enter that? Because I guess losing weight depends on where you're at. Height, I am 7'2" or 6'3", feet and inches. There we go. My current weight, according to the scale this morning, was 345 it lets you do 0.2 pounds. Set that. Next. Goal weight, my goal weight just in the beginning, I'm gonna say it's 300 pounds. Set that. What is your weekly goal? My weekly goal, I'm not gonna set it too high, but it doesn't really matter. Whatever I lose, I'm putting next. The reason why it's asking you all these things is because of the fact that they want to give you your calories, but you can go off of their calories if you'd like, but I've already told you how to get your calories if you want. So email I want to use is Van Normus, and my password would be blank. There we go. Create a username, Van Normus. I'm gonna do that like that. See if it'll let me sign up. And we're please waiting. Please wait. Oh, there we go. So what they're saying here is congratulations, your custom plan is ready and you're one step closer to your goal weight. Keep me on track with reminders. Yeah, sure, why not? I'm doing this app for a reason. Might as well have them tell me. Can I change my daily goal? Okay, I can't right now. Send me the latest news and innovations. No. All right, so I go to this, press OK, start your free trial. I don't want a free trial, nothing. What's the last meal I ate? You could put that in here if you want to, but I'm just gonna skip it for there. Okay, now I'm gonna look at some of these things. So it does have your calories as 2,000. See, mine's 2,721. If I want to leave it there and I just do my cardio and add that in and go off of that, you could do that, but it only does it 3 times a week. So I'm going actually to go in here and look. They have recipes. Your diary is where you kind of keep your information. You can go premium if you want to, but diary kind of tells you what you've been eating. You can add your water just by like clicking on the plus and saying I drink 8 ounces of water. Give it a good old check. right there. Log water with Alexa, I could do that, but I'm not gonna do that now. We're gonna keep this simple. The only thing I really use this for is to keep my calorie count. I don't really do it for my exercising and stuff like that, just because it's easiest to do calorie count in here daily. Okay, now I'm going up to my gearbox up at the top right here. Let's go again, and then I want to go to diary settings, I believe, and I want to see if I edit my goals and I go to lose 2 pounds. Yes, I want to lose 2 pounds a week right here. Set that. It's going to change my calories, and it tells you that now. So if I go back to here, all the way back to the beginning, my daily calories changes to 2,221. So now I can't eat as much as I normally eat. All right, so there's a bunch of stuff you can do in here. My goals, any of that, I'm gonna change that back to lose 1 pound a week, because that's all I care really about. Calories and carbs right here. Calories, I wanna eat 3,000 calories a day because I wanna be in charge of this. So like I said, you can leave it the way you had it, or you can go ahead and do what I just did. Macros, I really don't care about my macros. I'm gonna leave them the way they are. It'll tell me about that. The only thing I really use this for is calories. So I can go to, for instance, I'm going to go back to the plus, click on the plus, click on my food, breakfast, for instance, click over here on the barcode. It's gonna show me my barcode here, and I'm gonna click that real fast, and it's gonna show me no thanks. It's gonna ask you to go premium all the time. And see right here, it tells me 20 ounce Snapple. Boom, done. It's in my calories and it's over. If you guys want to follow me and follow my diet, I switched it. I know in an earlier video I said Trojan 72, but if you look up Van Normus, you can watch my diary and I could watch yours, and we can keep each other motivated, things like that. If you have any questions about this, put them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer those for you, with you. There's already been a couple people telling me that they're getting pretty motivated.